So what I'm trying to show you is how to fix that squeaking noise. It's really hard to detect. It sounds like it's inside. It does make this noise, but it's actually right under the hood. Let me try to demonstrate. And that gets really loud inside because of the bumps on the street. So let's see if we can fix it by utilizing regular electrical tape. The problem is this play. There's a little bit of play here, a little bit of play here. So when vibration comes, it makes noise. Now let me put some pressure here. You see, there is no noise. Just by applying pressure. And noise. No noise. What is the problem? And the problem comes from these rubber touch points. So when you close the hood, it closes here, but then if you look closely, there is a special heavy, like a thick tape. It rubs through it, and then it rubs on the metal, causing the noise. Right here, and you can see it rubbed through, and that's what's causing the noise. This one, and on this side, even though it doesn't look as damaged, it is damaged. Funny thing is that this is what's causing the noise for this particular car, not that, this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take regular electrical tape, put this tape on top of this, and see if it actually prevents the squeaking noise. So one is good. As I mentioned, this is the one that actually is causing the noise.
Visited by a being of pure sound. New York City made it an extra.
This should do it. Done. Let's close the hood and make sure what the? Still making a noise. That fix should have worked, and it didn't, because look here.
Looks to me like the work of one man.
Oh, is that your face? You're wearing a mask.
I invite you now to listen.
That's why. What a dumbass. That's horrible. Let's try it one more time. Nothing here. More tape. No noise. No noise. Yes! Alright. This is really a hack. Maybe the latch, the lock needs to be adjusted, but so far electrical tape fixed it. I will try to get an actual replacement for that tape sticker and keep you updated. Hope this video helps someone who is also just as annoyed as I was with this squeaking noise.